Boom! Alright, he's not like tough. He's like pelvic thrust, and then he's like, God, big back. Well, not really that part, but he's like, hold on. Something about Russian shit. I'm stuttering my fucking pelvic thrust. He's like thrusting, and then he's. I have my hands on the come out. I love this cracker baby, but I can't see straight anymore. God, I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack. I don't think that's normal.
You're still
Let's just
doing
spin a
it.
bowl. Just a little one. Come on, he's like pelvic thrusting. You know what I'm talking about yet? He's like, come to Six Flags, and he's
So
like,
I've been doing it for